Okay, let's continue with our journey here. That's something. The pay roads. Alright. When they look, they.
Yeah, what is that thing that you do like a baby? I don't like it, you know?
Look at this. Okay, they patch this one. Yeah, and come on, look at this part. This is what I was. This part here coming by the solid camp. Right here. You see? Smooth. Okay, yeah, but it's new. Okay. Thursday part.
I think we were going like the other day
The patch here as well. Because these roads were very, very bad. Patch this part. Let me see if they patch the one. Okay, all these little parts. In front of this school on St. Joseph, there was another big hole. Okay, right here. I remember there was another one coming by lane. Okay, they fixed that one in there. Let's make this one too. Okay. I hope this one at least lasts 3 months. Whitney. The police giving tickets here and wondering why. Wondering why the police giving tickets to that one.
Is that a passenger vehicle?
No. Because 3 police officers. But 3 police officers.
I think the police officers want money, so
This thing almost ready for business.
It's like the other day when Joe was trying to get home with the car. Police stopped him.
That's one time. open your eyes. Can be distracted walking on the road. I'm testing.
What did you say that to?
The man, because he was walking and testing.
Testing what?
He was typing on his phone. He cannot be walking and be so distracted.
Mommy, let's go to that place. They have fruit and slippers.
Okay.
Mommy? Yeah. I think today
We need onion. Oh.
I know how to do juice of apple, pineapple, or grape.
Okay. Where should I go first?
What place to get the plant? Where else would you know?
Oh. No.
Municipal Corporation? Isn't it that way? Long step?
Nothing is not in front of.
It's starting Harvard Hospital.
That's it.
Oh, yeah. I was thinking this thing being by NHT. How is the town today?
Jammed with traffic.
I couldn't go with the traffic. So I need to go. Dumb blown. What I have to do? Well, what I have to do? I have to go here.
But they're blowing your door, there's a lot of space in front of you.
Oi! Mercy. I need to go in there. To go to the same side where I am going.
Why are these taxi drivers?
Oh, look at this guy. You see the guy, the spray man?
Where?
Passing there.
Skype.
The spray.
Oh, it's there. All of them are trying to get into the
Yeah,
there now?
he's there. I just think sometimes if people were polite, yeah, there will not be so many jamming like this, like your congestion, you know? Because you see that this one can go, okay, allow it to go, right? And the other one don't take to try advantage and just wait for your turn and go. But the thing is that people come it's not like they are in a hurry. They just feel like they cannot wait and come and cut you off. Boom. And the other one, don't because I guess because of that behavior, then the one that is in front don't allow you to go in. Even if, because sometimes, let me say, like we are coming there. I end up being in the wrong lane because we are coming in the other side.
Right.
So we are going to be in the wrong lane. So we had to switch to this one. So somebody, if I am coming from that line and I'm coming in here, somebody should allow me. Alright. Just be courteous, allow it to come. But because this one comes with a bad behavior, that they are already there and they come and they feel like they need to go in front of you. Why?
Okay. This one?
Oh, these girls are still in school. I thought they said their schools were closed.
Most of them are closed.
But they asked to close all of them.
Different schools will assess their situation and different.
That's a Korean shop. And there is another shop in that tiny space. Here in the town, any little space is valuable. Because the town is so tiny here that any little space is. Look at that. The tire at the back.
Pardon?
The back tire. That's where across this.
But that feels like something under the front end or there's something that's not right.
Why are the police giving so much tickets today? This here?
The entrance is at the blue gate, I think.